The center of the sphere whose mirror is a part. उस sphere का center जिससे मिलके mirror बना हुआ है, that is center of curvature. तो जिसका reflecting part towards the center of curvature होता है, that is concave mirror. And the things you have to remember about the concave mirror is, if the light goes from left to right, then concave mirror is a converging mirror. It converts the light rays at a point. Next, it forms real and inverted image, except that one case in which the object lies between pole and focus. There, in that case, it forms virtual and erect images. And focal length and radius of curvature are negative in case of a concave mirror. Also, in case of concave lens और mirror दोनों में ही almost चीजें negative हैं, because according to the sign convention, if the light goes from left to right, all the distances are measured from the pole. So pole से PC opposite direction हो गई. तो अगर distances, if the distances are in opposite direction, then they are considered as negative. Light उधर जा रही है, distance we measured from PC opposite direction. So what is PC? It is radius of curvature. It is negative. Also focal length is also negative. So these are the points we already discussed yesterday. Convex mirror whose reflecting part is away, which is it is a convex mirror whose reflecting part is away from the mirror. It is coated with a silver coating from the inner side. Concave from the outer side it is polished or coated, and convex mirror is coated from the inner side. Reflecting part is outer side. This is the reflecting part, right? So it is a diverging mirror. Which image it forms? Virtual and erect images formed by convex mirror. And what type of image? Like in concave mirror, images may be magnified or the same size or maybe smaller. But here, in case of convex mirror, only diminished, smaller size images can be formed. Okay. So these are which type of mirrors? How you identify this is a concave mirror or convex mirror? How you identify? If it is bulges outwards, इस तरीके से अगर बाहर की तरफ bulges है, उभार है, बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ है, that is convex mirror. And if it is inward, अंदर की तरफ इस तरीके से there is a dig, ठीक है, bent like this, अगर आपको नीचे अंदर एक गड्ढा सा नजर आता है, it is concave mirror. This is a magnified image, so it is concave mirror, and in which diminished images are formed, it is convex mirror. It is a rear view mirror. The convex mirrors are used in rear view mirrors as rear view mirrors in vehicles, right? This is concave mirror to see the magnified image, to see the magnified image. ENT doctors, ear, nose, throat specialist या eye specialist use concave mirror to see the magnified image of the objects. Like dentist, to see the magnified image of the tooth, he uses concave mirror, right? So these are concave and convex mirrors. Next, some important terms related to the spherical mirrors. What are those terms? You have already done in class. In which class? Class 10th. You have already studied about these. So